Every man wants success. Very few become valuable because they spend years learning things that don't matter. But there are 6 skills that quietly separate ordinary men from the men everyone respects. Master them, and you'll become almost impossible to replace. These aren't ordinary skills. They're force multipliers. And it all starts with the skill that's changing the world faster than anything we've ever seen. 1. Master AI. Every generation has one skill that separates the men who lead from the men who get left behind. This is ours. AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing people who refuse to learn it. While millions waste hours doing the work manually, a small group of men are using AI to learn faster, create faster, build faster, and multiply their value. 10 years from now, the difference won't be intelligence, it'll be adaptation. The question isn't whether AI will shape the future, it already is. The real question is, will you be the one using it or the one being replaced by it? 2. Learn how to fight. Let me ask you something. If someone attacked you today, would you know what to do? Or would you become another man, waiting for someone else to save him? Every man should know how to fight, not because he wants violence, but because he should never be powerless. Become a monster, then master it. Because a monster who controls himself is infinitely more dangerous than a weak man pretending to be peaceful. Anyone can be peaceful when they have no other choice, but real strength is having the power to destroy and choosing restraint instead. A man who can protect himself, protect the people he loves, and still walk away from unnecessary conflict is the man everyone respects. That's not violence, that's discipline. 3. Play chess. Most men lose because they react, not because they think. Chess teaches you something almost nobody learns anymore. Every move has a price. One careless decision can destroy an hour of perfect planning. The board doesn't reward emotion, it rewards patience, discipline, and strategy. Play long enough and you stop reacting to problems. You start anticipating them. That's why chess isn't really about winning games. It's about becoming the kind of man who thinks 3 moves ahead while everyone else is still reacting to the first one. 4. Learn how to learn. School teaches you what to think. Life rewards the people who know how to learn. Every skill, every business, every opportunity starts with one ability: learning faster than everyone else. The man who learns one skill every year will always lose to the man who knows how to learn any skill whenever he needs it, because knowledge becomes outdated, but the ability to learn never does. The faster you can adapt, the harder you become to replace. In a world that changes every day, your greatest advantage isn't what you already know. It's how quickly you can learn what comes next. 5. Read every day. Most people collect knowledge. Very few build wisdom. Reading isn't about knowing more. It's about becoming different. Because knowledge that never changes your actions is just entertainment. Most people know how to get fit, how to make money, how to build discipline, but they never apply it. That's why information alone has no value. Turn knowledge into culture until the lessons you read become the way you think, the way you speak, the way you make decisions. Because the goal isn't to finish more books. The goal is to become the man those books are trying to build. 6. Master public speaking knowledge means nothing if it dies inside your head. The world doesn't reward the man with the best ideas. It rewards the man who can communicate them. You can build, you can read, you can master AI, you can learn for years. But if you can't express your thoughts, someone with half your knowledge will take the opportunity you deserved. Speaking isn't just a skill, it's influence, it's leadership, it's confidence. Because the moment you can stand in front of people and make them listen, you've already separated yourself from the majority. Learn to communicate, and you'll never have to convince the world that you're valuable. They'll see it the moment you speak. Master these 6 skills, and you won't just change what you know, you'll change who you become. Average men consume. Exceptional men build themselves. The choice has always been yours. If you're the kind of man who seeks the truth, you already know what to do. Subscribe. Don't miss what comes next.